Welcome to AllFreePik tutorials.
Today I am going to show you how to create abstract Pentagon Halftone design in Adobe Illustrator. Please watch entire tutorial. Ellipse tool. Draw a circle shape. Select circle shape and copy. Ctrl C and paste in front. Ctrl F. Select shape and double click on scale tool. Uniform 20%. R0 G255 B255. R204 G255 B255. Select both shapes and go to object menu and blend options. Spacing specify steps 25. Again go to object menu and blend and make. Alt Ctrl B. Select shape and double click on scale tool. Uniform 75%. R255 G0 B255. R255 G204 B255. Copy Ctrl C and paste in front Ctrl F. Radius 381. Sides 6. Use direct selection tool to select, cut Ctrl X and paste in front Ctrl F. Select shapes and go to object menu and blend and replace spine. Group Ctrl G. Copy Ctrl C and paste in front Ctrl F. Make shape too small shape. R10G10B25. Go to object menu and blend options. Spacing specified steps 30. Again go to object menu and make Alt Ctrl B. Select shape and go to effect menu and distort and transform. Angle 60°. Select shape and go to object menu and arrange and bring to front. Shift Ctrl close square bracket. Copy Ctrl C and paste in front Ctrl F. Apply color dodge blending mode in transparency panel. Shift Ctrl F10. Finally your pentagon half-tone shape is now ready. Increase size of the shape. Draw a horizontal box shape. Select shapes and right click and make clipping mask. Ctrl 7. You can use pentagon half-tone shape for cover background design. Please follow steps and it's easy way to create abstract half-tone pentagon shape background design in Adobe Illustrator.
Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe for new tutorials.